Oh my God, see, why would you do that? You're gonna get cold so quick.
What?
Making snow angels. Ah! Make a snow angel right there in that area. Alright, come out. Good job. Perfect.
Too powdery to make a snowball. Yeah, it's not good snowball snow.
No, I'm out. I'm not doing that. Yeah.
Fix it again.
Oh my God. Hold on.
That's a big fall. This one, ew. Why? Dirty?
That's the floor.
Yeah, it's just the floor.
Don't jump on that. You'll get hurt. That's the floor. Why are you recording the floor? Record her.
I did. I was.
Oh. Oh, I gotta go to. I know where I gotta go. Make it. Edit this. Get this edit. Don't get stuck. I'm not getting you. I'm not going in that pile to get you if you get stuck. Celene, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Get back over here. Right now. She was about to go way over there. Mom, your turn.